Welcome to AWM. If you're here, it is because you are thinking about moving abroad. You may be tired of high food and gas prices, the political climate, social unrest, and just not feeling safe. So you're looking at options abroad. I don't blame you. After all, this is your life. AWM will use their experiences as a family that has lived abroad almost 5 years to help you to relax because you know what to prioritize, to exhale because you now have a thorough to-do list, and to smile when you connect with others like you who have experience living abroad. Even if you're only thinking about moving abroad, AWM services and tools will help you make the right decision for yourself. AWM helps you remove the fear of the unknown. You want to know if you and your family are ready. AWM helps you figure that out. You don't know where to begin or how to get started. You wonder what a different culture will feel like and how in the world do you plan for it? And the all-important question, can we really afford to live abroad? The whole idea of moving abroad can be quite overwhelming unless you've got someone experienced and organized who can help you walk through the process. And we know that it's true, that organization is the number one thing, no matter what you're doing, but especially when relocating to a new country. They've had successes and connections so far in Rwanda, Kigali, the cleanest city in Africa, land of 1,000 hills, Dar es Salaam, Tanzania, nicknamed Bongo because of the hustle of Africa's next megacity, Zanzibar, the Spice Islands, a wondrous island of old narrow streets and new developments, and El Salvador, affordable cost of living and improved safety conditions, geologically close to the U.S., Nairobi, Kenya, and Green City in the sun. English is spoken here. Johannesburg, South Africa, most like America, the city of gold. Now let's see what some of their clients have to say.
I got a lot out of this. It felt very good to be with somebody that can tell you what I need to do next. Very transparent. I like how your husband kept saying he was transparent.
This was almost, I feel like it was tailor-made for me. And so I'm leaving feeling like I have a handle on being able to move comfortably. It's taken the level of stress and anxiety off of me.
This is most helpful in many ways. The integrity that your entire family present, I really enjoy. I like that. I mean, because it just resonates and allows me to say, I feel comfortable, I feel safe with making certain types of decisions and stuff like that. Because of the wealth of information that you provide, I like that. And it's very concrete, systematic. So I appreciate that.
That's what I call success for me, a successful workshop. And so for that, I am greatly appreciative. Thank you so much.
Very, very good. I thank you so much for the downloads, the printed sheets.
Thank you very much.
Now imagine yourself, for a second, in a new country. You're experiencing a totally different culture. You're living a life that maybe you've always dreamed of. What would that look like? What would that feel like for you? AWM will help you get there. Visit them today on YouTube, Awaken with Mark, or their store link in the description.